Hello girls! In this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do your everyday smoky eye makeup. I haven't done any smoky eye makeup on my eyelids because nobody uses eyeshadows every day. If you like and find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. So let's get started. So I usually start my makeup by applying eyeliner. Do not put a lot of makeup like concealers and everything before you apply your eyeliner. Otherwise the pigmentation of the liner won't be very good. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. You can go for liquid or gel liners as well. Liquid liners are the best for making cat eye. Then I apply my kajal and I do not go all the way. I just apply like halfway. If you do go all the way, then the black kajal will make your eyes look smaller than it is. Then I curl my lashes. I do it before and after applying the mascara. Before because it gets easier to apply mascara without getting it on your under eye area, and after so that the lashes curl up properly. Then I use a makeup brush to smudge the kajal that I applied earlier and take it all the way to the end of the liner. And then I apply my kajal again. Soul needs to sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Coming to mascaras, I use two kinds of mascaras. First is by Sugar that adds a lot of volume to my lashes, and then the other one is by Maybelline because the brush is just amazing. I also use an eyebrow brush to separate my lashes and get rid of the extra mascara later. You can do the same if you like. So this is how I do my eyebrow makeup. I use the brush that comes with Maybelline gel liner. You can use a thinner brush if you have, whatever suits you. A lot of girls use brown eyebrow pencil to fill their brows. I use black because it goes well with my skin and with my makeup. After filling my brows, I apply my concealer under and above eyebrows to make them look more defined. If you do have a white kajal, white eyeshadow or highlighter, you can apply it on the inner area of the eye and under the brows like I did. I use any shining lip care for a more natural look instead of using highlighter or eyeshadows. Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. And then I curl my lashes in the end. I was ready to slow down. So my makeup is done. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to share it with your girls if you liked the video and found it helpful. Have a nice day. I was ready to blow me down.